Alright, welcome again to this video training. In this video, I will show you on how you can use your smartphone to edit a video using the application called Inshot. So what you have to do is you need to go to your Play Store. If you don't have the Inshot application, you need to come to your Play Store and type there Inshot and search. Sorry, my data is off. I'll need to connect. All right, it has connected already, and you need to go to your Play Store and type Inshot and wait for it to load. All right, here is the application. Have you seen? So I already have the application. That's why my own is showing opened here. So as for you, if you don't have the application, your own will be showing install, and then you can go ahead to install it just as it is here. So as for me, I have the application already. What you need to do is you need to minimize to your Inshot. I need to go to my Inshot app. Here is the application. The application doesn't request data. All right, for the benefit of this video and just to show you that the application does not request data, I'll need to off my internet connection. So I've off my internet connection. So what I'll need to do next is I need to come to this video. I always know I want to edit a video tutorial that I work on. So we need to come to this video. If this is the first time that you are using this application, you see something like this: allow Inshot to access photo and media on your device. You click on this allow, then it will allow. Then what you need to do is you need to come here. Here is the video that I am going to edit. All right, obviously I will need to click on next. Now, so many people are having issues to remove this Inshot logo here. So in this video, I will show you on how you can remove it. So it is very simple. What you need to do is you need to come to here, this X button here, and click on that X. Then you need to use free remove. Have you seen? Then you wait for it to load. It will take out the watermark, the Inshot watermark automatically. Have you seen? It has taken out the Inshot watermark automatically. So what you need to do is I need to come here to play this video to check. Welcome again if this to this video. I'll come here to check if this video that I want to edit. This is another video tutorial on how you can work any graphics with your phone, on how you can use your smartphone for graphics and design. So in this video, what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show us on how you can use your smartphone for graphics and design. So let's get started. All right, there's somewhere that I made a mistake. So what I will need to do now is I will need to go and cut out that place so that the video can go smoothly design. So all right, here is the place. I'll need to click the video. To click the video, after click the video, I'll click on this split, this PLIT split, and cut the video into two and need to play it. Let's get started. I'll need to play it. Please just follow me up successfully for graphics and design. So have you seen? I need to point it there and split it again. Let's get started. Okay. So what you need to do is, please let me disconnect this Bluetooth. All right, so that you guys can hear what I am about to do. So as I was saying, for you, if you make a mistake with your video, then for you to cut off the process, you need to come to this split. Once you are at that place that you make the mistake, then you can now cut the video off. Smartphone for graphics and design. So let's get started. You see, I have cut the place already. Then what I need to do, I will need to click the place that I cut off, then click on this delete. You see, let's go again. Let's start the video again to check. All right, welcome again to this video training. This is another video tutorial on how you can work any graphics with your phone, on how you can use your smartphone for graphics and design. Okay, I've made a mistake here on how you can work graphics, on how you can work any. All right, I'll need to come here and split work any graphics with your phone, on how you can use your. All right, have you seen? I need to come here and split it. Then from there I'll need to come here and delete. Tutorial on how you can use your smart. All right, I'll come to this. Welcome to this tutorial on how you video. This another video tutorial on how you use on how you can tutorial on. Need to come here and split it, and on how you can then on how you can delete this one, then go back again. Video tutorial on how you can use your smart. All right, I've made a mistake there. So if you make the mistake and you want to get what you deleted back, you need to come to this arrow here. As for me, I'll come here and get what the place that I split and deleted. I need to click on here. Have you seen? It has come. Video tutorial on how you can use your smartphone. Have you see? Make a mistake here. And on how you can use. Sorry, please, this is a video training, so you just need to follow me up carefully. Video tutorial on how you can use your smartphone for graphics and design. To come here to remove it again. All right, tutorial on how you can smartphone for graphics and design. Okay. So in this video what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show us on how you can use your smartphone for graphics and design. So all right, here is on how you can use what I'm going to do in this video. So in this video I'm going to come here and delete this one. Tutorial on how you can. So in this video, another video tutorial on this another video. So in this video I'm going to welcome again to this video training. This another training. All right, I need to delete this. Again to this video training. So in this video I'm going to have you see how it's go. All right, here is my channel. Here is my. All right. Yeah. Let's get started. Yeah. Have you seen? Like the place that I make the mistake, I'll need to delete the place out so that the video can go straight forward. So let's get started. All right, here is my channel. If you are new to my channel, I just want you to please click the subscribe button and turn up the notification bell, so whenever I'm going to post any other video, you'll be the first person to notify. Okay, let's get started. All right, what you need to you need to come to your Play Store or your App Store, but let's say Play Store for the. What you need to do is you need to come to your Play Store or your App Store, but let's say Play Store for the benefit of this video because I'm using Android. You need to come to your Play Store. So when you come to your Play Store, you search on the application that is called Pixel app. So I'm going to search on the application. Here is the apps. Here is the app that we are going to use for our video training. So in your phone, this app will be showing install here. Then you can go ahead to install. As for me, I already have the app. That's why the app is showing opening here. So what we need to do is, if you don't want to use the app background, what you just need to do is just to go to your Chrome and search on any background that you like to search on. Like you can come here and search on a background. Give me a very good background, or give me any computer background. Download, just search on download a computer background. As you can see, or any other background that you want to download, you see all background here. Or if you can't do that, you can quickly come to this website that you can use it to get background, and search on pixel or pixabay. Let's say on this pixel, you can come to this pixel. Here is the website. Then here are the backgrounds that you can go ahead and download. As for me, all right, have you seen? Please, I want to take you guys through on how you can edit your video using Inshot application with your smartphone. And you can use it to get background, and search on pixel or pixabay. Let's say on this pixel, you can come to this pixel. Here is the website. Then here are the backgrounds that you can go ahead and download. As for me, all right, then here are the backgrounds that you can all right, I've made a website. Then need to point there and split it, and here are the background text. And I will not go to use this phone color. All right, I've made a mistake here. And see here, there's no text, and all right, and I won't is here. Come to this split, and I will not, you see, come here, split. I will not go, come here and click on delete. You delete it here. As you can see here, there's no text. I will not go to use this phone color or background. As you can see, you can come here and choose any color that you like, anyone, but for the benefit of this video, I'm not going to use this color. So what I will need to do, remember, I have downloaded I have downloaded an image that I will. Have you seen the place that I've made a mistake? Remember, this come again to our second video after I've been able to show you how you can cut out some mistakes that you did while recording your video. Okay, what you now look at is how you can make your video to be faster. Remember, this video is 2:door. The video is 2:door. So what you need to do, you need to make the video move faster so that most of the video can. Okay, what you need to do, you need to make the video to go fast a little. So I will take you to that process now. So welcome back again. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. What you need to do, you come to this video. Here is the video. So from there, you come to this speed. Have you seen? I've touched the video. Then you come to this speed. Come to the speed and increase the speed. Let's play it first. All right, welcome again to this video. Have you seen on how it is? Let's slow it back. Video training. All right, welcome again to the. So what we need to do is we need to make our video move faster than when we were recording it. So in this second video, I will show you on how you can make your video faster. Like you won't be able to use the same voice or the same motion that you use in recording it. So what you need to increase. As for me, this video I will go for 20. This video training. All right, welcome again to this video training. All right, welcome again to this. So from there, video training. All right, welcome again to this. Not that fast. I'll come to 30. Video training. All right, welcome again to this video training. All right, have you seen? Then let's play it. Video training. So let's play it again. All right, welcome again to this video training. So in this video, I'm going to. Then you still need to hold here